Good morning, students. So total elements are arranged in periodic table as per their differentiating electron present in different types of the orbitals. For example, S block elements and P block, D block elements. Particular elements is there. So because some of the elements having differentiating electron is present in S orbital. So those elements are belongs to the S block elements, and same as the differentiating electron present in P orbital. So those are elements are belongs to the P block elements. The differentiating electron is present in D orbital. Okay, so those elements are belongs to D block, and also same as F block also. So every element have the particular atomic number and its electron configuration. In that outermost electron configuration, the differentiating electron present in which orbital it belongs to the its block. Okay. So in this we have table S block, P block, D block, F block. Okay, the differentiating electron is present in S orbital, S block, P block, D block, F block is there. Okay, so in that we are going to discuss about the D block elements. Okay, so in that S block elements are is the electropositive elements. These are electronegative elements, and these are metallic. These are metallic nature. Metallic nature going to decreases from left to right in these periods. So we are take as a periods. First period, next second period. So like this periods are okay. So these are the periods, 7 periods, and 18 groups is there. 7 periods, 18 groups. S block has the 2 groups, and okay, this have the in this D block has the 10 groups. Okay, total 10 groups is there. So the differentiating electron, which are the element having differentiating electron present in D orbital, so those element is belongs to D block elements. Okay, D block elements. So in the D block elements, the D block start from the 4th period. Okay, 4th period, and the orbital, the principal quantum number start from the 3rd. Okay, third. So we call as this is a 3D series, and next 4D series, 5D series, 6D series. So like that. So total elements are present. 10 elements is there from the 3rd group to 12th group. 3rd group to 12th group. Total elements are 10 is there in every series. 3D series, 4D, 5D, 6D. Okay. Total elements are 10 is there. So first series 3D series. In that 3D series start from the scandium to zinc. Scandium to zinc. Scandium 21, zinc 30. Okay, next yttrium, 4D series, yttrium 39 to cadmium 48, and next lanthanum 57 to mercury 80, and next actinium 89 to copernicium 112. Okay, 112. So this is a elemental information of D block elements. So after this, next we go for the electronic configuration. So for example, scandium atomic number 21. So we are going to write the electron configuration scandium by using noble gas configuration, noble gases. So noble gas, you take the argon atomic number 18. So 21 minus 18 remaining 3. Okay, so we write like this electron configuration 4s2 3d1 scandium. Okay, so by using argon we are going to write the electron configuration 4s2 3d1. So we are going to fill the electrons in this 4s2 3d1, and after that next 4s2 3d2, next 4s2 3d3, next 4s2 3d4, but actually this type of electron configuration is present, but so the energy gap between the 4s and 3d orbital less is there, so that is the reason the electron will jump from the s to d by the formation of 4s1 3d5 electron configuration. 4s1 3d5, 4s1 s orbital and d, so 4s1 and 3d5, 1 2 3 4 5. So off-filled electron configuration, d orbital they contain the 3d orbital, they contain off-filled electron configuration, and which of the orbital have the off-filled or completely filled electron configuration? Those elements are have the stability is there. So to gain the stability, the electron will jump from the 4s to 3d. So it is going to form 4s1 3d5 formation. 4s1 3d5 formation. Okay, this is a chromium electron configuration. Most important this one. What is the stable electron configuration of chromium? 4s1 3d5. Okay, so next. 4s2 3d5, 4s2 3d6, 4s2 3d7, next 4s2 3d8, and this is also 4s2 3d9, but in this also same, the energy gap between the 4s and 3d, the energy gap between the 4s and 3d is less is there. That is the reason the electron will jump from the 4s to 3d. It is going to form 3d10, 4s1. Okay, for example, in this, for example, 4s2 is there, 4s2 3d9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if the electron will jump from the 4s to 3d9, is going to form 4s1 3d10 in this. So it is half-filled and this is a completely filled electron configuration. So by the formation of completely filled electron configuration, this element going to stability. Because of the energy gap between the 4s and 3d is less is there. So at the higher energy level, the electron will jump from the 4s to 3d in the formation of 4s1 3d10 electron configuration. That is the reason copper electron configuration, stable electron configuration is 4s1 3d10. So this is also important. So what is the stable electron configurations of the chromium and copper? So this is a 4s1 3d5 and this is a 4s1 3d10. Okay, so this is a electron configuration chromium and copper, and next one is a 4s2 3d10. So this is a electron configurations of the 3d series. 3d scandium 21, next 22, 23, 24. So this is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. I once again repeat this one: scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Next. So this is a yttrium. After that scandium, next one is yttrium. Yttrium start from the, this is a 4D series, start from the 39 atomic number. 39 atomic number. So yttrium, zirconium, niobium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, argentinum, cadmium. Argentinum or directly we call as silver. Argentinum, cadmium. I once again repeat this one: yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, argentinum, cadmium. So next, after that yttrium, next in this is a one of the group, third group. This is third group. This is a fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh group, eighth group, ninth group, 10th group, 11, 12 group. So this is the third B group, third B, fourth B like that. Okay. So after the yttrium, next one is a lanthanum. Lanthanum start from the 57. Next one is a lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, aurum, mercury. I once again repeat this one: lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, aurum, mercury. So these are the 5D series elements. So next one is a actinium. So this is a actinium, rutherfordium, dubium, seaborgium, borium, hassium, meternicium, and damascenium, ranjadium, and copernicium. So these are the 60 series. So totally 3D, 4D, 5D, 60 series, and shortcut method is there. So by the one of the shortcut, scandium, yttrium, lanthanum, we call it directly SCYLA, SCYLA, shortcut. Skyla. Scandium, yttrium, lanthanum. Like directly shortcut. And next one is the TZH. Telangana Jilla Parishad High School shortcut. Telangana Jilla Parishad High School. That is a T for the titanium, Z for the zirconium, H for the hafnium. Like that. And next one is a VNT. So that is same as ENT hospital like VNT. V for the vanadium, niobium, tantalum. Next one is a CMW like BMW. So this is CMW. C for the chromium, M for the molybdenum, and W for the tungsten. This is a MTR. M means MTR masala shortcut. MTR. M for the manganese, T for the technetium, RE for the rhenium. Next one is a FRO, Forest Range Officer shortcut. Forest Range Officer. Ferrous, ruthenium, osmium. And this is a CRI pumps. CRI. So cobalt, rhodium, iridium. And this is a NPP like MPP. NPP. So nickel, palladium, platinum. NPP. And CAA, chartered account like chartered account officer like. So copper, argentinum, arum. And ZCH. So ZPHS schools like ZCH. So zinc, cadmium, mercury. So this is a shortcut to learn the elements in the every group wise easily up to 5D series only. So shortcut. Okay. So this is a D block elements. And next one is the next after the 3D series electron configuration of the 4D series. Atomic number of yttrium is 39. Next we are using noble gases. The electron configuration is krypton atomic number 36. So 39. So remaining 3. So this is a 5s2 4d. Okay, 5s2 4d. So 5s2 4d. So yttrium atomic number 39. Atomic number 39. Yttrium atomic number 39 by using of the noble gas krypton atomic number 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay, this is the electron configuration of yttrium. So we are going to write in this yttrium 4s2 5s2 4d1 5s2 4d1. Next one 5s2 4d2, and this is a 5s1 4d4, and this is a 5s2 4. Okay, 5s2 4d4. Next one 5s2 4d5, and 5s2 4d6, 5s2 4d7, and this is a 5s2 4d10, and this is a 5s1 4d10 similar electron configuration 5s1 4d10, and next one this is a 5s2 4d10. Okay, so this is the electron configuration.